Hi everyone, this is Lady Vintage Bags here. Now if you're into vintage, pre-love or affordable luxury, then stick around because I'm your girl. Now what do we have here today? We've got an unboxing today guys, and it is Chanel ready to wear. Now let's just cut to the chase, let's get straight into it. Okay, pair of scissors. Okay guys. So remember, I've already bought my first Chanel ready-to-wear item from a Japanese reseller, and I love that jacket. I will link that above for you guys. You can watch that unboxing too. So I got a Chanel jacket in that video, and it was 750 Australian dollars, which works out to be about $550 US, which I thought was a really good price. And that jacket I found out was from the Chanel 1991 for Runway. Okay, so here it is guys. So it came packaged from this Japanese reseller in this plastic bag. So what do I have? Okay guys, so the first is a two-piece set. So the first item is actually a long top. And this is from Fall Winter 1990/1991. Check out those buttons. Seriously, it was the buttons that got me. So this garment was in really good condition, no buttons missing. And this is the matching skirt. So this is actually a wool set. Now let me see if I can show you guys the tag. Oh look, so not only does it have buttons, it's also got a snap button at the top. There we go, undo the snap button. Now I'm just undoing the buttons here. These buttons are still really tightly sewn on. They're not even loose. You know, sometimes you buy fast fashion items and the buttons are already half falling off. That's not what we're about here with Chanel. We are about 1990, buttons still tight, here in 2021. Okay, check out that label guys. So Chanel Boutique. So it says here, and maybe hard to read, AH90/91. And I can't read the model size. Sorry, I can't read the model, but it's size 36, and it is 100% extra fine merino wool. So this is dry clean only, guys. This feels really nice. So two sets of pockets here, two sets of pockets here. No buttons on the arms. It just looks like that. Now the skirt, this is what it looks like. Now let's check out the tag on the skirt. Okay, so Chanel Boutique. So this tag is much clearer to read. So maybe they wore the top a lot and it got washed a lot and they didn't really wear the skirt. Hence the difference in legibility of the tag. So AH90/91. So the style/model number is 30617, size 36. The color is 27. The fabric is B72. Composition is 100% merino. Again, dry clean only. Now, as I mentioned, the first jacket I bought, which is this beautiful jacket here, and this one is from collection 26, and it's size 38, and this is from the Fall 1991 Runway, and this set is even older because it's from AH1990/1991, which is the Fall Winter. So they were released around the same time, but I think this one was released first. Now, you guys may be noticing my little outfit here, so I've got a cropped tweed jacket with these beautiful buttons, and this is like a really glittery tweed too, and I've got some wide palazzo style knit pants here, and I got this from SHEIN guys. This top was only $13.95 Australian dollars. It was so cheap. And these pants also has matching buttons on the bottom, and this was only from 1995, and this was from the Australian fashion label Valley Girl, which is a fast fashion label here in Australia. So if you want to check out Chanel dupes, I've got a video of that, so I'll link it up above and in the description box down below. So check out my Chanel dupes video too guys. So let's try on this outfit. Okay guys, so here's the first piece. So I don't plan on wearing the two pieces together. I actually plan on wearing them separately. So this is actually supposed to be a long top, but because I'm really short, I'm going to try wearing it as a mini dress. So guys, what did I pay for this set? So I paid 800 Australian dollars for this two-piece set. So I thought that was a really good price for getting two items, compared to 750 Australian dollars that I paid for this one jacket. I got 2 items for 800 Australian dollars. And what do you think, guys? I got a Chanel dress, even if you counted the full $800 towards this one top. Chanel dress for $800. Doesn't that sound unheard of? Okay, now I do have to be careful. Even if I am petite, this is still really short because it's supposed to be a top, not a dress. So if I lift my arms up, okay, we're exposing a little bit too much here, guys. So I do have to be really mindful that if I'm going to wear it as a dress, what I'm wearing underneath to give myself some coverage down there. So what do you think? So this was my idea, buying the 2 pieces to wear separately. Okay, so I'm really happy with the look at this, guys. So with the sleeves, it's got this really long ribbed part here. So at the moment, I've just got it tucked in. That's what it looks like all the way out. So I'm not really a fan of that look. This is what it looks like if I folded it up. Okay, and that's what it looks like, just kind of scrunched up. So they're the 2 looks there. So what do you think, guys? Do you think that this was a good idea? Do you think that this was a smart idea with a good deal? If you think so, hit the like button, guys. Let me know if you think I made a good decision or not. So check it out, guys. So I really do like this pleated bottom here. I think it's very elegant and very ladylike. So I've just paired it with that tweed Chanel dupe top that I got from SHEIN from my haul. So what do you think, guys? I think this is very elegant. So we've got knee length there. Now this is no zipper, it's just completely wool stretch, so it's just an elastic waistband there. So I think this is definitely a very versatile skirt as well. Now I'm going to put the 2 pieces together and show you how it was worn on the runway. Okay guys, check it out. So this is actually how the model on the runway wore this set. So it wore it together with a little bit of the pleated skirt peeking out from the bottom there. So probably for me in my day-to-day life, this is not the way I would wear it. But it does look quite nice actually. At first I thought it looked really ugly together. I thought, oh, it's a bit too outdated. But actually it doesn't look too bad. I don't go anywhere where I would probably dress like this. But if I did, I probably wouldn't mind actually dressing like this now that I've got it on. So guys, who did I buy this from? I bought this from a Japanese seller called Brand JFA, and they have an eBay store and their own direct website. So I used to shop with them through their eBay store, and I just discovered this year that they have their own direct website, which is even cheaper than the eBay prices. So I've been shopping direct. And they are also the same seller that I got this Chanel jacket from. So great deal, great deal. I've been buying from Brand JFA since 2018 with my handbags. So a lot of these handbags here were from Brand JFA, including this Chanel bag, this LV bag. So really good prices from Brand JFA, guys. I'll leave the links to their store and their eBay store down below for you. So I'll link the image of this outfit from the fall winter 1990/91 runway in the description box for you guys. So the model was wearing this outfit, but just in a different colorway, red and green, I think. And I'm not putting it up on the screen because it's a licensed image. So I'm just going to share the link down below and you can go to it yourself, guys. So comment down below, yes, keep it, no, send it back, or yes, good deal, no, bad deal. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below, guys. You know, I'm a bargain hunter and I'm always looking for quality for not too much money. And I'm actually really happy with this outfit. The wool is really nice and thick and it feels really smooth, not itchy at all. So guys, I'm on a Chanel vintage ready-to-wear spree. Somebody stop me. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for listening, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.